Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys this eye makeup look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes, and I'm going to be using the P. Louise base, and this is in the shade 0.5. For my Dose of Colors palette, I'm going to be using this first shade, and I'm going to apply this on my crease. This is going to be my transition color. So I'm just going to focus this color in my outer crease. And I'm just focusing this shade on my outer crease. So first I just apply it and then I blend it out, doing circular motions. And whatever I have left on my brush, I'll just go in my inner corner. So I want this look to be a little bit more warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this yellow shade on my outer crease. And I'm blending the two shades together, but I'm going a little bit more up. I'm gonna go and do the same thing on the other side. So when I applied the yellow, the pink shade, it kind of like wore off. So I'm gonna go back and apply the pink shade. And we're just gonna apply it here in the outer corner, not going too up, so the yellow eyeshadow could show. So I'm going to carve my lid using the same base from P. Louise. So I'm just applying this base on my lid, and then I'm gonna look up just so I could have that line and where my crease ends. So now I'm going to go with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it directly where the harsh line of the base is, and just blend it together. Just blend it to the eyeshadow, just so you won't see the harsh line of the base. So I'm going to use two shades for my lid. So the first shade that I'm going to use is going to be this one from the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. And I'm going to apply this color on the outer part of my lid. Shade here in the middle, but I'm not going to go all the way in because I'm going to be applying another shade on my inner corner. So I'm just going to go halfway. For the inner part of the eye, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Marshmallow with the same brush. This is the MAC 242 brush. And I'm just going to apply this on my inner corner and blend this and the other eyeshadow together. For my bottom lash, I'm going to use this shade with a pencil brush from Sigma. And again, I'm just going to focus this on my outer corner. So I applied my eyelashes off camera and I am done with my eyes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick, and I'm gonna go with this red liquid lipstick.